Welcome to the world of investing. Have you ever wondered how people build wealth over time? Let's dive into the essentials that can help you get started on your own journey. First, let's talk about stocks. When you buy a stock, you're essentially purchasing a small piece of a company. This means that if the company thrives, so do you. Over time, stocks have the potential to appreciate in value, leading to significant returns on your investment. Next, we have bonds. You can think of bonds as loans to companies or governments. When you lend them money, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally more stable than stocks, making them a safer investment option for those who prefer less risk. Now, let's explore index funds. These are collections of stocks or bonds that follow a specific market index. They're an excellent choice for beginners because they offer instant diversification and typically come with lower fees. By investing in index funds, you can spread your risk across many different assets right from the start. When it comes to investing strategies, there are two main approaches: active and passive investing. Active investing involves constantly buying and selling in hopes of beating the market. In contrast, passive investing focuses on holding on to investments for the long term. Many beginners find passive investing to be less stressful and often more effective. One of the most exciting concepts in investing is compound growth. This is when your earnings begin to generate their own earnings. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through this powerful process. However, it's easy to make mistakes when you're just starting out. It's important to remember a few key points. Don't panic sell during market dips. Avoid trying to time the market. And never invest money that you can't afford to lose. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can make more informed decisions. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to start investing. Many platforms now allow you to begin with just a few dollars. The key is to take that first step, no matter how small. So, what's the takeaway? Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. By familiarizing yourself with stocks, bonds, and index funds, you can confidently take your first steps toward building your wealth. Thank you for joining us in this beginner's guide to investing. Every big journey begins with a single step, so take that step today and start investing in your future.